This is the hotel we are going to stay in the next 3 days. It's in here. Oh, open. Oh, what's that? Oh, jelly.
Do you think the water's free?
Yeah.
Good. Cold water, free water, hotel free water.
Good. Bathroom. Shower. Emergency water.
Or a toilet to fill the flusher.
Just in case if there's no water.
Or no power.
Oh no, sorry, no power. No water, no power. Just in case. Aircon. This is our bed. There was a little cushion. Hang on. Hey, don't do that. Go. Hey. Here. Can you please turn all the lights on? Bobo, stop playing. This is our bedroom. This is the TV. And there is a little desk. Oh, is that a mirror? Oh, it's a mirror. Ooh, so nice. Oh, there is a basket. A pair of socks, towel, bath towel, and the laundry bag. It's pretty cute. Huh. Good morning, my dear friends. Daniel and I are going to the public onsen this morning. So this is outfit the onsen hotel provided to us.
That's a big one.
Yeah, Daniel is a big boy. He couldn't fit in that. Anyway, we're going. Bye-bye. I just finished my hot spring. Bob and I catched up in the lobby. And after you had your hot spring bath, you can get a free Yakult. Yakult.